Sarpati sir. Okay. Guys, look at this. I started a recording. Few statements compulsory. These things, small things I will cover. Okay. First of all. Okay. Yes. What is SLA? SLA is the most frequently asked question. Plus, it is compulsory to know by everyone. What is SLA? Service level agreement. Service level agreement means I have a service provider and service provider provide a service to the client. Okay, so they agree with a certain terms and agreements. They put in a document called a SLA. Meaning is service provider compulsory provide a service to the customer as per SLA. Okay, SLA. So for example, I'm using a web service. 24 by 7 it should be run. What is 24 by 7? It means 24 hours, 7 days.
7 days.
Compulsory this works. Yeah, tell me.
Nothing, sir. I'm just telling 7 days.
I didn't get. Tell me again. So I didn't. Okay. Okay, no problem. Okay. So what it is? 24 by 7 or 100% uptime, 0% downtime. Up to 50 Mbps. What is this kind of stuff? They are promising this service will be get compulsory like this. 24 by 7 support is there. Means even whatever the time it is, once you are asked for a support, they must give us support. If you got any issues, you have to ask your service desk. Okay, means you will go to the service provider, they must give a support to you. Okay, that is a supporting team. Okay, so this is mainly important SLA, service level agreement. Okay. మీరు రాను
ఫ్రైడే వస్తారా మళ్ళీ
మండే.
మండే
Okay, next one is guys OLA, operational level agreement. For example, here is the organization, there is certain business unit people are there. What they will do, they will go to clients, they bring projects to the organization. So they bring a certain project or a certain thing, certain sales project to the organization. So what they will do, they will deal with internal employees. So this project must be completed in a 6 months. These are the project requirement. How many people are required to work in this project? What is the support requirement? What is environment requirement? So deal with the things and then asking support and complete the project on this particular time or with these particular things kind of stuff. Okay. It is a contract between internal employees like a internal IT team and the BU is called a OLA, operational level agreement. Okay. Another one is UC. UC. Okay. What is UC? Is a unpinned contract type. Okay. So what is this UC kind of stuff? We have a vendors. Okay. For example, I need an equipment, Cisco equipment is required. I have to go through the Cisco company, then Cisco is a vendor for me. Microsoft 365, I'm using Microsoft is a vendor. I'm utilizing Microsoft services like that. So vendorship, okay, contract between signed document or a contract between vendor and a organization. So that's what I'm trying to say. It is, yes, SLA stand for service level agreement, OLA operational level agreement, okay, UC underpinning contract, underpinning contract. So this is SLA, OLA, UC. In a service level, supports also different from here. So level of service support is also different there. So here it is, why it is showing very big lengthy part, not required. The table, column with the table only, but it's unsupported table formats. Okay. Guys, it's a support level, means I want to approach the service desk. I want to approach the service desk, and there is a service desk support level is there, right? Some are like a self-help type. I went to an organization, okay, so self-help. What is self-help? So they provide a portal or IVR system. So when you call or when you go to their portal, they will tell what is your information, what is your question, what is your issue. Okay, they will give direct information, or maybe they will collect your information. Based on that, they will give as per your requirement. Some portals they will give direct solutions also according to your requirement. Are you asking about a certain issue, right? Like that. Second one is you can complain directly. You can open and write down what is your requirement, what is your issue. Okay, so you can write down there and submit. So it will go to the service desk person. The person will check it. What is your requirement? Respond to you directly, or you can do emailing communication. There is a support like support@domain.com is there. You will send a mail to that support team. So then they will get back to you what is based on your things. Okay. That is called self-help, and user retrieve information is a type 1 support. Level 0 support it is. Tier 1 or a level 1 support is basic help desk resolution, service desk deliveries are by level 1 only. It means you got an issue, you forget a password, or maybe your internet is not get connected, or maybe some change of service, or you're asking access permissions. If it is under your way, then you can able to do it. Okay. And service deliveries like a user request for a new connection or a user request for a access of printer. So you cannot do it. Why? Because of it is under hand of certain team, server team has a permission to give connection. So what you will do, you'll create a ticket and you given this particular user request for a printer access, and you are escalate that issue, means you forward that issue to the particular team. The team will check it and give the permission and return to you, and you can give delivery to user. Yes, this is the access permission, this is the password, so then you can able to access. It is a total confusing part, right? I told very faster, but okay. A simple way to guys. Level 0 is a self-help and a basic support, or not exactly a solution, but simply to notify what is an issue. Okay, to get what kind of issue it is. It is a connectivity issue, or maybe it is a bill related issue. It can be transfer related issue, access calendar issue. So we can, the service desk person can easily categorize the issue part using a self-help portals, email communications, that kind of stuff. Okay, so level one is a basic help desk resolution, service desk delivery. L2 is a in-depth technical knowledge in the particular technical knowledge, not L1 is a overall technical knowledge, overall knowledge. But L2 is not like that. It's a particular domain knowledge is required, like a server level or a email server level, or maybe it is a Linux deployment related, or maybe it is a networking related, or maybe it is a cloud related, it may be a application related. So certain part of technical knowledge, certain domain technical knowledge must be higher and able to deal with different kind of issues. That is a level 2 type. Okay.
Excuse me,
So
sir.
yeah, tell me.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I wanted to ask you, sir, when we join the company, so we join in which tier, like in tier 2 or
Mostly
tier
L1,
1?
as I know, L1.
Okay, tier 1 means like, right?
Tier 1 or L1.
Okay,
Here
okay. Thank
names
you,
are
sir.
means usually level 1 support only because of you don't have any specific domain knowledge, right? You are
Right,
not
right, right.
having technically in a networking or a server or anything. We are getting overview, overall knowledge we are sharing, not as a specific technical knowledge. Okay. If
Okay,
you are
okay.
improve a specific technical knowledge means you learn cloud related or maybe like AWS cloud or Azure cloud, or maybe you learn about CCNA, CCNP like kind of stuff, or maybe server side Microsoft servers or Linux servers. Okay. So in a specific technical part, you have a certification, you have a knowledge on a specific technical domain knowledge you have, then you may can go for a level 2 once you gain little experience. Okay, it is depends upon person to person, guys. Some may get a 1 month, some may get a 1 year. Go to level 2. Okay, level 3 is a expert product. Okay, the product knowledge, application product knowledge is high and good, and complete support of a product related issues. Okay. Level 4 is not within from organization. These
Okay,
level
sir.
4 people work for a 3, 4 organizations at a time for a outside support. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, when a person join in level 1, so uh, when is wanted to go level 2, there isn't any kind of test or exams to
Yeah,
upgrade their
mostly
level.
internal interviews test are there. Okay, so generally internal interviews test are there because they have to know what is your technical knowledge standards, troubleshooting skills in a particular domains. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Some big organizations like HCL, as you know, there is an internal test are there. Even guys, this is not a final training. This is only entrance level, only for a basic training. Once you are into the organization, they will give you either Udemy or LinkedIn kind of stuff. You have to keep learning. Technology wise, you have to keep learning. So technique means like a troubleshooting or issues, those things they will tell you how to deal with it. Okay. No need to wait,
Okay.
just you have to keep learning. Okay. You can do certifications. Certifications proves you have a domain knowledge and particular things. Good question it is. Okay, so here one more point. What is a service desk analysis will do? This is a common question, right? Your position is service desk analyst or just an analyst, but it is a service desk analyst. Okay, what is service desk analyst will do? Okay, here is the point. Is to provide technical support to the customers and employees. In some companies, you handle technology duties such as software installation, troubleshooting, maintenance, computer health. You respond to the telephone calls, email, live chatters, other communications. So you support a customer. It is a very basic level answer only, but I will tell you where you will get a service desk level questions. Okay, so what to do? I will share the links, don't worry. Okay, there is a few links are there. So one link is will tell you what is the service desk levels, and there is a 25 questions from Guru 99. If you go to open this link also, you will find there is a top 25 IT help desk interview questions. Basically, interview questions, not technical questions. It is around your technicality. So, what are the three abilities of ideal service desk? Ability to listen to others, ability to present your thoughts clearly, to be patient, especially in tense situations. Okay, so this is how clear it is there. Okay, how do you deal with the frustrated customers? What motivated you for a help desk assistance job? Okay, like this, these are a help desk and a service desk kind of questions, guys. Some are hypothetical questions. Okay, so you can try this thing. Guru 99 is also, I'm recently seeing such a lot of questions also available. Not only material, guys, interview guidelines are so good. Okay, interview questions also there in a different technologies also available. Compulsory go through this, and also I went to this link, right? So this is my link for you, so then you can try this. I'm sharing directly here. Read it, guys. Make a hobby of reading things. That helps to get in a future like so thing. Okay. So college days completed. So you don't need to prepare as like a college part, but you have to start doing with the things. This is about a service desk level. I got this information from BMC, is a very big company, and that to ITSM. Okay, IT support level, level 1, level 2, level 3 kind of stuff. So different information is also available. Okay. Okay, SOP, about SOP, what is standard operating procedure? Just before I'm trying to tell, right? So this is a standard operating procedure. Okay, what is the step by step instruction to comply any organization to help workers carry out complex routine operations. Okay. SOP aims to achieve efficiency, quality output, and uniformity of transfer while reducing miscommunication and failure to comply with the industry regulations. Follow the regulations, follow the step by step procedure to complete the task. Okay, this is the troubleshooting model. Last class, someone asked me a question, right? Troubleshooting model or SOP model is nothing but a kind of troubleshooting model. You got a certain issue with the organization. Sorry, you got a certain okay. So you face certain issue. How to solve it? First of all, identify what issue you are getting. You must know what is the issue, right? Identify the problem. And what you do once you identify what issue it is and establish probable cause, why it is occurred and what is causing this problem kind of stuff, we'll do it. Probable cause. And next one is test your theory. Make sure that is what you are thinking, that's why you are getting the problem. Test your theory. Next, establish, plan, and implement solution. Verify graphics and do preventive measures. Document finding. Okay, guys, this is the troubleshooting model. Why it is suddenly 11? I use 14, right? Very bigger. No problem. Okay, so standard operating procedure to do any rotational task. It can be troubleshooting related or maybe maintenance related. We follow the SOPs. If it is a troubleshooting related, we have to follow these steps to resolve any issues, guys. Identify the problem. First, know what is an issue. Establish probable cause, test your theory, establish plan and implement solution. Once you know what is the issue, you understand this is an issue and this is the way you have to solve the problem, then you have to plan it and implement. Once this is the issue is resolved. But what is this 5 and 6? Verify, make sure that is working or not. Verify the fixes and working. And do preventive measures means make sure the issue should not be repeated, right? We should not be repeated, or maybe other issue should not be come. Okay, one problem solved, other problem will come. Or one problem solved, maybe next time again the problem will come. So do preventive measures, make sure that issues should not be repeated or should not generate another different issues. Document finding. What is document finding? What is the issue? Why it is the issue? What is the issue? Why it is occur? Okay. What is the implementation you have done to solve the issues? And what are the preventive measures you have taken so then the further issues won't occur? So that is called a document finding. What are the things you have done from 1 to 5? You have to add it to sixth one. So this is a one troubleshooting model, guys. Yeah, I separated this window, right? So sorry. Next one is service operations. This is service operations. Already I given service operation information to you. This is content service desk and service operation key points are there. No problem, just service operation information I have taken from tutorials point, guys. What is service operation? Already I have told that is event management, incident, request, access, and event management. Okay, so that is the main part of it. This is service desk, technical management, IT operation management, and application management. These are the main of your service operation related. Okay, so service desk and other things. Okay, the first one is go here, go to this one, and one more link here. Service operations related. In this one, I am going to give you very small information, not complete information, guys. Compulsory go to the link. I am giving only again what is service desk in that one. So type of service desk. Earlier I didn't told type of service desk because that much not information actually not required. So this is what I'm trying to say. This is service. What is this service
Hello, sir.
desk?
I have a doubt.
Tell me.
Sir, I want to know about level one. Sorry, sir. Level zero. So it will be machine generated or human generated?
Both are there. Both are there. Sometimes, yeah. రేపు లేదండి.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sorry guys. Service desk is a first and single point of contact. Remember always, guys, when service desk question comes up, always what is an answer? It is a single point of contact. Okay, it plays a vital role in a customer satisfaction. It coordinates between it is coordinates activities between end user and IT service provider team. It also owns the logged request and ensure closures of that request. Means whenever the clients request for a information or a request for a certain issue, they want to report an issue kind of stuff. So that information till the closing the request, it is that information is available, of course. Okay. So service days, if these answers also you can take it. Mostly try to avoid this part, guys. What is it is type of service desk. Do not go through that point. Okay, at interview, don't tempt. Some people tend to give an answer like what is service desk means. They will tell these points. Good. Don't tempt to give central or service desk having four types of service desk are there. Okay, and there are like this kind of stuff. Don't tempt. That's my point, guys. Because of once you are tempting, then you have to give an answer. You have to explain what it is. I'm just giving information, any usage in future. Okay. Central service desk, local or distributed service desk, virtual service desk, specialized service desk. Central service desk means one service desk for entire organization. Only one central service desk it is there. And the local and the distributed means every organization, in the entire organization, every branch, every location, there is a distributed or a local service desk. It's a costly but closer to the user. For example, I'm in Pune or Mumbai or Nagpur. I have my organization maintaining a service desk. So it is closer to the employees, right? So call not go to the Delhi, the call go to the local one. Okay. If it is a well established, very big organization, guys, for example, take Airtel, different language related support is also there because of they'll maintain different people at least two to three, minimum 3 to 4 languages. One is English, Hindi, and as well as a regional language support people also there. It's a local type everywhere. Like you are in Maharashtra, you are maybe in a Gurgaon, maybe you are in a Tamil Nadu, you may be in your Visakhapatnam, maybe in a Hyderabad. So whatsoever it is, it's difficult to means because of big organizations, it is much effective. It is closer to user. But some people only give English support, only language English, or maybe English and Hindi, not more than that one. So the point is they don't want to maintain these many local or distributed service desks. So they will maintain central with a limited language support. Virtual service desk, very costly, result are fast processing. Virtual service desk usually like a self-help portal type only. It means what is your issue? You have to enter your information, what is your issue, and that issue will be resolved by live communication or a direct support kind of stuff. Okay, it is already prefixed questions, FAQs or a solution kind of stuff is there. So then we can do it. Specialized service desk. Specialized service desk include a dedicated skill staff for a specific queries. Okay, a certain kind of typical situation, then there is a specialized service desk. So those kind of people will deal with this kind of dedicated staff is available to specific kind of queries. Okay, so these are the few points about a service desk. Okay, where is my site? Yeah, this is I created a Google site, guys. Other managements also there in an organization: IT operation management, technical management, and application management. I told about ITL, guys. This is the ITL full life cycle picture. I told only these life cycles yesterday, but internally there are a lot of life cycles out there. Okay, so I am not. That is more than enough stuff. Yeah, this is incident management. Okay, how you deal with incident management? What is incident management? What are the activities you do it? Okay, so those kind of stuff available. Okay, but that is enough. So don't go too much learning. Already I given a link yesterday, just before also. So it is service desk demo by Cypress is there. Okay, please go through once and read these PPT also, guys. So you will get a certain clear information. Service desk is very important. 100% you will get a questions from basic service desk. And incident, in any incident, there is a priority, guys. Priority levels also there, like a P1, P2, P3, P4. Exactly say P4 is a low level priority. It is a medium priority. This is a high level priority. Means any issue is occur, so we have to prioritize based on the issue, and impact. Okay. Any issue occurs comes to service desk, right? Any issues occurs, it comes to the service desk, and it will be in the ticket. In the ticket, we have to mention priority level. To mention priority level based on issue, impact, based on issue, impact, level of impact. Okay, based on issue, impact, and impact on service or infrastructure. Based on service or infrastructure. Are there. If you watch that video which is I shared to you, that link. Okay, do not share that link. That is because it is explained with Savant is login. Okay, so do not share this link to anyone. You guys are yours, no problem. Okay. Point is, okay. So there is a clear explanation about priorities and all. So this is also there, and one or two points are there. I just didn't. And of course, I didn't talk about this monitoring and these things. So if possible, any other time I will try. Not now, not today. Okay, because we are already waiting for a long time. But compulsory, I'm giving small information, guys. Compulsory read it. You have a time, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. That is also enough. Okay. Some people think, sir, I will fix the time guarantee from tomorrow onwards, daily 2 hours. Not required, guys. Don't fix any time. Keep reading, keep reading. That's why I created this link. Any time, just from your mobile phone, you can easily open. That's why I created this link. Otherwise, I can create a separate notepad file like earlier days. Earlier days, we have every class separate notepad files are there. Okay, see this, every class we have a separate notepad files are there. Okay, so people don't get the information, they may forget or they won't check it once again. Okay, right here are, so these are all separate files. Why? I'm giving a direct link. Use it. Read it. When you have a time, when you got to do it. That's the point. Yeah, that's enough for today. Any questions, anything, please tell me. No problem.
No, sir.
Right. This is what I'm sharing now. That is yesterday class, guys. So compulsory in interview, in your interview, what is service desk? That is at least minimum question will be there. Okay. And if you want, if you have another time, if you have some other time also available, then also you can check with your previous batch videos also, no problem. Just depends upon the learner, okay? Not be depends upon me. Okay, good guys, that's it for today. So
Okay,
compulsory, okay. Yeah. Prashant, tell me.
Nothing, sir. I'm just
Okay, no problem.